I think I fucked up. I think I bit off more than I can chew. Come out to do a little scouting today in the hunting unit. And I was trying to get to my glassing point, 4.5 miles, like 1,500 feet of elevation gain. But since I haven't been doing any training or anything for the last year and just been getting fat as fuck and being lazy as fuck, it kicked my fucking ass. Body's cramping. I know I'm getting plenty of water in, plenty of electrolytes. Just the biggest problem is the muscles haven't worked like this in quite a while. So I'm close to where I wanted to be. I'm only about a quarter of a mile from it. But sit down, ate some grub, ate some ribeye and butter. Drink a little bit of my coffee. Just kind of sitting here, listen to the birds chirp. It's really smoky out today, so it's kind of hard to see very far. But I'm thinking I might have to rethink my archery mule deer plan a little bit. I mean, I've still got some time. I can still try to get some fitness, but it won't be much. So just gonna sit here, take in the scenery. I can kind of get down a little bit further in glass, but it's not exactly where I wanted to be. Can't see as much as I wanted to see from where I'm at. But hey, live and you learn. I mean, I forgot what it was like to be a fucking flatlander and come to Colorado and go hiking and everything. I remember the days when I first came out 25, 26 years ago, going for a hike, and I had no fucking clue, and going for like a mile, 2 mile hike was brutal. And then over the years, I built my fitness up to where I could crank out 15 miles a day, no problem, nice and easy, without any issue. And today, I made it like GPS says 4.6 miles. I don't think it's that far. GPS, I don't trust them anymore. I can use 3 of them, and they all say something completely different. So I figure I'm probably about 4 miles. Took me about 3 hours. I was expecting to take 2 hours or under. So quite a big fail on my part, but kind of to be expected from being a dumbass. So I'm gonna sit here, see if I can see. I'm gonna sit here and see if I can see any deer. Since that's what I'm looking for. I did come across a cow elk on the way in. She was going along the trail, and then she finally spotted me and bolted. So other than that, haven't saw anything. Like I said, it's real hazy out, so it's real hard to, you can't see very far, and what you can see, it's not like it's clear or anything like that. So I'm gonna sit here for, I don't know, however long, and I'll decide where I'm gonna go from there.